Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Resident Evil 4 on the Chiiwi app. First, you'll need to download the Chiiwi application from your device's app store. This innovative platform streams high-end PC and console games directly to your mobile device, letting you enjoy titles like Resident Evil 4 on the go. For the best experience, ensure you have a very stable internet connection, ideally a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network, to minimize any latency during your gameplay sessions. Once the Chiiwi app is installed, open it up and navigate to the search bar. Type in Resident Evil 4 to quickly locate the game. After finding it, select the game to view its details. To start playing, you'll need to have sufficient virtual coins or a VIP subscription. You can then either join an existing game room with other players or create your own private session to jump right into the action. Chiiwi offers intuitive on-screen virtual controls that replicate a standard gamepad, allowing you to play Resident Evil 4 directly on your phone. For a more personalized feel, you can easily customize the layout, adjusting button sizes and positions to suit your preferences. Many players find that connecting a Bluetooth controller significantly enhances precision and overall immersion. Remember to also fine-tune in-game settings, such as sensitivity and brightness, for the most enjoyable and effective gameplay. To ensure the smoothest possible Resident Evil 4 experience on Chiiwi, consider a few optimization tips. First, close any unnecessary background applications on your mobile device to free up valuable system resources. Always play in an area with a strong and consistent internet signal to minimize any potential lag. Regularly check for Chiiwi app updates to benefit from performance improvements and new features. Finally, engage in daily tasks within the app to earn more virtual coins, extending your gameplay sessions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.